there were dragons when I was a boy. Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do.
Did you manage?
I found him in the woods. He was shot down, wounded.
All this time you took after me.
Easy, girl. It's okay. But you know, there is something out there. It's not me asking. All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing. Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse?
What did your father think of your Night Fury friend?
He didn't take it all that well. But then he changed. They all did. Pretty soon, everyone back home had dragons of their own.
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
Look, Berg's dragons will follow the Alpha. So we'll pay you to capture him and bring the flock to us.
Once they see you as one of their own, even the testiest dragons can be trained.
What game are you playing?
Let me show you.
No. You just scared him.
I scared him? Who is him?
Mom, you'd never even recognize it. Where we used to make weapons, we now build saddles, wing slings, we even fix dragons. You wouldn't believe how much everything's changed.
Your son's changed Berg for the better.
Oh, when I'm up here, I don't even feel a cold. I just feel
Free. You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you.